Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change aspect ratio in CapCut. So the first step you simply need to do is to open CapCut, click on import, and you need to import a video. So I'm going to import a random video. So now you can see that it is in 16:19. So how you can change that, the aspect ratio? So you simply need to click on this ratio. And here you can see different options. So 9:16, 3:4. So I'm going to select this one that we are basically used for Insta. And here you need to drag the video like this to fit into this ratio. And here you can see that. And then you simply need to click on export. So this is the easy process by which you can change aspect ratio in CapCut. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.